Hi, I'm Jaden. Welcome to Vekart. We're here at our new premises here at 69 Pretoria Street, Tauriko. Recently relocated after being in Rotorua for 24 years. Come on, let me give you the tour. So this is where we manufacture all of our cabinetry. We've got a Biesi CNC and edgebander package out of Italy. From the start to finish, we do everything here in-house, from designing to programming to manufacturing to building our cabinetry. Everything is done here at Vekart in the one place.
Hi, I'm Tracy, business co-owner here at Vekart. We deal with clients as soon as they engage an architect and have architectural plans done, creating a smooth transition through the whole process right through to the installation at the end.
We set everything up in the workshop to ensure a seamless installation. You can see here all of our Blum hardware that is standard in everything we do, whether that's residential or commercial. We take the same quality throughout all of our products. And after that, it goes onto the truck and goes out to be installed by our team of dedicated site installers. So that's a little bit about what we do here at Vekart. We hope to work with you soon.